Good morning, students. How are you? So today again I am here and we are going to start Unit 2 of our Marigold book. We had already completed the poem Bird Talk, which is in your Unit 2, and one lesson is there in Unit 2, and the name of the lesson is Nina and the Baby Sparrows. So students, take out your books, page number 15, okay, and put your finger on the lines. First I shall read and then explain, okay. Now all of you have taken out your books, get ready, now start. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Now, there is a girl in the story whose name is Nina. And Nina's aunt was getting married. And the whole family, they had to go to Delhi to attend the wedding. Everyone was happy in the house except Nina. Nina's father, mother, little brother, they were very happy. But Nina was not happy. She was sad. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Now Nina's mother took Nina to the market to buy a new dress. She asked Nina about the color. Which color do you like? But Nina said no. She doesn't want to buy a new dress. Now mother asked her if she want to buy a salwar kameez, and here also Nina's answer was negative, no. Then mother gave another offer. She asked, what about those white shoes which you saw last week? Shall I buy them for you? No, Nina shook her head. I don't want either. And she said thank you to her mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Now Nina's mother was also worried. They returned from the market, had their lunch, and she sat beside Nina and asked her that, my child, what is the matter? Why did you say no to everything? Isn't it? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? Now students, remember one thing. Whenever you will have any problem in your life, or if you are unable to decide what to do or what not to do, you must share your problem with your parents. You can share it with your teachers also, because you are not able to solve the problem. So you have to share it with somebody. Here in this chapter also, Nina has a problem, and that's why she was not happy. She was not willing to go to the wedding. She was not willing to buy a new dress. But what was the problem? She must share it. She must tell it. Okay. And her mother is also worried. And she asked her, what is the matter? Why not? Why will not go to the wedding? And Nina starts crying. Tears roll down her cheeks. Okay. And her mother is asking her, what is bothering you, my child? What is the matter? Tell me. More tears roll down Nina's cheeks, mother, she said. There is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. And there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. Now see, children. Nina now tells her mother that, mother, in my room there is a bookshelf. And on that bookshelf there are 2 small baby sparrows. Have you seen sparrows, students? Baby sparrows? You might have seen it on your terrace or in your balcony, isn't it? Now 2 baby sparrows were there on the bookshelf of Nina. And this was the reason why she was not willing to go to the wedding. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip asking for food. Now Nina tells her mother that now they are just beginning to get their feathers. The baby sparrows are just getting their feathers. It's the very beginning, and at this stage they are very much hungry. All day they cry chip 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 for food. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Now see, students, the question which was there in Nina's mind. That, mother, if all of us will go to attend the wedding, we will lock the room. So how will Papa and Mama sparrows will come and feed their babies? Nina was much worried for these sparrows. Children, whenever we go outside, we lock our room, isn't it? We lock our room. And Nina was thinking about the same thing, that if we will go, we will lock the entire room and the baby sparrows are there. Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? Now, see, there is a solution. Mother gives a solution to Nina, and she tells her that while going, what we will do? We will lock the door, but we will leave the window open so that Papa and Mama sparrows can come easily and feed their babies. Okay? Yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Now mother says that we will shift your things to the other room and we will lock the room, we will lock the door, but we will leave the window open for the Papa and Mama sparrows. Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? Now, mother asks, Nina, when you will be enjoying at the wedding, your baby sparrows will grow up at that time. Okay? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? And this happened. Okay. When Nina came back from the wedding, she saw 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. The sparrows were flying all over the room. And Nina was very much happy. She was very pleased. She was thrilled. So students, the moral behind this lesson is we should share our problems with our parents, our teachers. They are our well-wishers. They will try their best to help us and provide solution to us also. So you can see the spellings also. Wedding, happy, lovely, lunch, bothering, problem, hungry, perfectly, safe, plump. You read the lesson, okay? And then you go through the video also, watch it carefully. In our next class, we'll do the spellings and the question and answers. Thank you. Goodbye.